If you want to create a Whop account, then here's what you're going to do. First, you're going to head over to whop.com/signup/ and then from here, you're just going to click on this email field right here, and then you're going to enter your email. So you can also log in or sign up with your Google account, your Apple account, or your Discord account if you have one. So for this one, I'm just going to click on Google account. This one actually makes it a lot easier to use your or to sign up using your Google account. So from here, as you can see, as soon as we clicked on sign up using Google account, it immediately took us to the dashboard page. But before we really get to use our Whop account, what we're going to do is we have to verify our email first. So I'm just going to open a new tab, and then from here, I'm going to click on Gmail, and then I'm going to open my email account. From here, we will be able to see the verification code that we can see right here. I'm just going to copy this, and then I'm going to paste it right here. Now from there, you can enter your name. So I'm just going to click or enter Sky. Just going to leave it be and then click on next. Now from here, you're going to pick your username. Then from here, just click on next once you're done with picking your username. And then from there, you're just going to enter your birthday. I'm just going to make sure that you are of legal age. So after that, just click on next. And then after that, you're just going to have to enter or choose your profile picture. You can also choose any of the Whop avatars if you don't want to upload your own image. So for this one, I'm just going to use this panda. I'm just going to click on save. Now you can also do this later on, but I recommend to do it now. Now from here, you're going to create your first Whop, and then you can just click on start selling. Now from there, it will take you immediately to your homepage or your dashboard. So from here, you can follow anything or anyone that you like, and then all you have to do to set up your business is to follow all of the prompts right here if you're planning to create a business. But all in all, that is just how you can open up or you can sign up to a Whop account. If you're planning to sign up and start selling on Whop, please use the link in the description box to get direct access to our exclusive guides and benefits on maximizing your community earnings. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.